Salah, prayers. Salah, prayers is the second pillar of Islam and it is Islamic call to the congregational prayer. It is called out 5 times a day to summon the believers for the first. It is an expression of Islamic practices and it is called out to inform the believers in specific words that time for a prayer has begun. Prayer is broadly classified into three categories of obligation. First, Sunnah Nafal. The greatest benefit of prayer is that it is a form of direct communication of believers with Allah. Basically, prayer consists of recitation from the Quran and glorification of Allah accompanied by various bodily postures. Prayers strengthen the faith of a believer and reminds him that he has to follow all the commandments given by Allah. And he is constantly reminded that Allah is watching all his deeds. This continuous reminder also keeps the conscience of the believer alive and functioning in proper manner. Prayer is also a source of blessing for a believer which brings peace to him. By offering prayer, a person becomes satisfied with his current life and finds a cause of inner peace and stability. Fasting is the third pillar of Islam. It was made obligatory in 2AH when Allah revealed the following words in the Quran: O you who believe, fasting is prescribed to you as it was prescribed to those before you, so that you may learn self restraint. Fasting generally means to abstain from something. In Sharia, it means to abstain from food, drink, smoking from Fajr till Maghrib. A Muslim must fast during the month of Ramzan. This month is significant because the Quran was first revealed in Ramzan. Fasting is an essential attempt to seek nearness to Allah and to increase one's piety. During this time, a Muslim must not only abstain from eating, drinking, but also avoid evil thoughts. One of the aim of fasting is to control one's worldly desire and focus mostly on devoting oneself to Allah. Also, through fasting, one is able to sympathize with those who are less fortunate. Fasting in Ramzan is followed by Taraweeh prayer offered after Ramzan moon is sight. The fast of Ramzan acts as an annual refresher course for the Muslim as it trains in a believer to stay physically, mentally, spiritually fit throughout the following year. During the last 10 days of Ramzan, Muslims intensify their worship and devotion. The month of Ramzan has a unique night of Laylatul Qadr, the night of power in which the Quran was revealed. According to Quran, praying in the night of Qadr is similar to worship for 1000 months. The completion of fasting during Ramzan is marked with Eid al-Fitr, which is celebrated on 1st of Shawwal.